So we have red and green peppers and diced tomatoes, and then this is the dried cured pastrami from Turkey.
Mozzarella. Hepsini koyuyorum altına.
Salt and pepper to taste.
They didn't add any hot pepper or any paprika or anything because the pastrami is already spicy. So we don't need any extra heat.
Birdenbire paçangaya dönüşmüş. Bu börek de paçanga şeymiş.
That's what paçanga means because it doesn't sound Turkish to me. But she said it was it's Spanish influence. In the 1960s was when...
So overlapping.
They're overlapping. She didn't spread anything on them, like no water or anything. Sürmedik değil mi bunu?
Yok.
Yeah.
Asuman ya bir kasede su verebilir misin? Evet.
So about 1/3 of the length of it, right? You put the mixture in, and she's going to use water to stick the dough to each other once she rolls it.
Böyle biraz gevşek yapmak gerekiyor.
Don't make it too tight. She's saying as you roll it, don't roll it too tightly.
Sonra uçlarını böyle ıslatacağım.
And then wet the end and just press down. There we go. That's one börek. That's one pie. That's a form of pie. Let's get original breadcrumbs. First, she's heating the oil.
I'm gonna come behind the shop.
Our whole big frying and breading station all set up here. We've got the egg wash. We have the breadcrumbs. This is for when they are deep fried. And then here we are before we even bread them or dip them into the egg mixture. So first step is dip it in the egg wash. Then it goes into the breadcrumbs. And then it goes into the frying pan with the hot oil. Once it's golden brown, then you want to flip it over and fry the other side until it's also golden brown. Okay, after they're ready and they're golden brown, you want to put them in a dish with paper towel so they absorb the extra grease.